everybody, my name is Tanvi and welcome to my channel, the HowStation. So guys, in today's video I have done this pink monochrome look using pink eyeliner and pink lipstick. And one thing about this look or this video is that I have used only eyeshadows to create this look. So I have used eyeshadows not just as my eyeliner but also as my lipstick, and I'm going to show you how exactly I did that. So without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. So as usual, beginning with the eyes, I am going to first apply a concealer on my eyelids and blend it with my fingers. So the concealer is going to hide all the discoloration on my eyelids and also create a base. Once I'm done blending the concealer, I am going to set it with some compact powder so that it does not crease. Next, on my blending brush, I am going to take my contour shade and I'm going to apply that into my crease to give a little bit of depth and definition to my eyes. Now time to do the eyeliner. I'm using this Blue Heaven signature eyeshadow palette and I'm going to pick up this pink shade on my angled brush, and with that I am going to do my eyeliner. I'm going to first create a basic shape and then going back and forth and adding more and more color as needed. I am going to build up the liner. Now that I'm almost satisfied with the intensity of this liner, I'm going to repeat the same thing on my other eye and be right back. I'm done with the liner on both the eyes and I made a minor change over here. I removed the wings and turned it into a simple liner because I wasn't very satisfied with the way it was looking, and now I am going to move forward with my face makeup. So the very first step for the face makeup is obviously going to be applying a primer. So I'm going to first apply the primer on the center of my face, and then whatever is remaining I'm going to spread that on the rest of my face and neck. Once the primer is settled in, I'm going to move in with foundation. I'm going in with a very thin layer of foundation. I don't want to cake up my face with too much foundation. So I'm just going to apply a thin layer on my face and neck. Next, I'm going to apply some concealer under my eyes, on my forehead and the bridge of my nose, and then I am going to blend it with a beauty blender. Next, I'm going to set my whole face with compact powder. And then I am going to bronze it up. I'm not going with a very sharp contour. Instead, I'm just running my brush to give it a nice bronzy look. After that, I am going to highlight all the usual areas of my face. Next, time to fill in my eyebrows. I'm going to use my contour shade again for this. And then I'm going to add some blush on my cheeks to give it some color. Next, I'm going to complete my eyes with doing my lower lash line. So I'm using a brown colored kohl eyeliner pencil and I'm going to fill in my waterline with that. And then I am going to again take my contour shade and I'm just going to apply that in my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara, and that's going to complete my eye look. And now the last step remaining is to apply a lipstick. I'm going to first apply a lip balm on my lips so that they don't feel dry. And for the lipstick, I have mixed a clear lip balm and that same eyeshadow which I used as an eyeliner on my eyes. I'm going to apply that on my lips with a lip brush. And once I'm done applying the lipstick, that is pretty much it. The look is complete. So that was how I did this makeup look using eyeshadows as an eyeliner as well as a lipstick. And there are other uses of eyeshadows too, which you can watch in my video right over here. I had made this video long back, so you can watch that. But yeah, the tips are really useful. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it. I hope that you guys will try this out. And yeah, now I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a great day, take care of yourselves, and goodbye.